This is how most people buy drinking water in Ghana. These plastic sachets are cheap and convenient, but they often end up littering the streets. A company called Trashy Bags collects about 200,000 sachets a month and processes them in this factory in a suburb of Ghana's capital, Accra. Workers clean the sachets, dry them, and then they get creative. They produce bags and other accessories, which they sell to customers all over the world. It's a social enterprise that's trying to raise awareness about the damaging effects of plastic waste on the environment.
Our bags, for example, our shopping bags made from sachets, if people used those when they went to the grocery store or to the market or to the stalls, and they used that every time, then they would reduce the amount of disposable thin plastic bags, which they're using all the time. You go to buy a bottle of water in a stall, and they'll put a black plastic bag around it. And that's the kind of attitude we're trying to change.
They're now also using the plastic from discarded billboards to make more colourful products. But what they're able to collect is just a fraction of the waste in Ghana. The plastic waste ends up in dumping grounds like this one. It's carried out to sea by this drain and ends up being washed back ashore. Beaches that would otherwise be tourist attractions are being spoiled. It can take up to 1,000 years for this kind of plastic to degrade. Campaigners say unless attitudes change fast, the damage being done now will affect the country for many generations. I'm Boateng, Al Jazeera, Ghana.